Hey guys, it's part 5. I am almost done. Like, seriously, very close. All we need to do is put it back together, and then I promised you guys I would show you the rest of my planes. But one's broken apart right now. So far that we have our braces that go in between the wings. We have our rudder, which I need to work on more. We have our fuselage with our tail on it already. So yeah. And we have all of our wings. So far, we're making a biplane. If you haven't watched all the parts, you probably wouldn't know then. Okay. First, told you we need to work on the rudder. So what you're gonna do, because first you're gonna need to take off one of the tape pieces. Oh, I can't get it off. Alright, here it comes. Just take off one of these. Sorry for the hiccups. Alright, yeah, see? I just took off from that side. It's just on there. Alright, yeah, you can pretty much trash that. And then what you're gonna do is just open that up a little bit. And then the part that's not taped, where it has like the crease right here, you're gonna cut right here. And you're probably gonna go in maybe like half an inch. I did about that much. So not too far, because then you won't make it onto the rudder. So pretty much what that slit was for that you cut is, here, I'll bring it closer, is so that it could slip on here like that. So that piece is in there, but that slit makes it slide onto there. I guess you could cut it farther, but you kind of want to keep it short so it won't rip. So you want it to slide. Alright, here, I can cut this a little bit. Alright, you want to slide it a little bit past where the tail starts. See? Where mine ends? You want just a little bit farther than this, which mine is right there, so that you could tape across here. Alright, so what you're going to need is tape, of course. And then just tape it down like that. Pretty simple. The back doesn't really move. So I'll show you on camera this time. See, it's not taped. Pretty much all you do is you take a piece of tape right there and then just run it down. Pretty simple. Alright, now you have your tail all done. It's a pretty big tail, but it needs a hold. It will hold its own weight and stuff. So the only reason why I did like a skinny fuselage is so that, because if the rudder doesn't do its job, it doesn't get all the wind. I have another plane that I don't even have a rudder. I just use the whole entire body. I just use the fuselage, and it acts like the rudder. So if it doesn't do its job, it does this. Plus, it's really light. It doesn't do like a circle where it's all heavy. It could bend and stuff. This could bend like this. Like, see, if I just let go of the tail, it pretty much just. So if you crash into anything, it goes like this, and you just bring it back to normal. Like that. You throw it again. So pretty much, we just put on the tail, so you could, that's pretty amazing. So, alright, moving on. Alright, second, what we are going to do, right, we still have these separators, are the wings, okay? First, you are going to take, because they are shaped like that, you're going to take your, probably like the biggest one. This is my biggest right wing, so you're going to set that down, and then you're going to find your biggest left wing, which is probably this one right here. Alright, what you're going to do, if those little tiny sticks are sticking out like that, they just fit right in, pretty much like that. Now what you're gonna do? Tape, of course. Why not tape? Tape is awesome. Alright, now just take a piece of tape, just run it along there. Take that. And then run along here. A little bit too long right there. Alright. Almost done. Alright, so you have a wing. A whole entire wing. If you want to make a big paper airplane, like most of mine are just one wing, that's pretty much how you make a wing. Just a wing, then you could just be a creator. That's what it looks like. It's flat on the bottom, and then it's rounded, so yeah. And the back is a little bit tilted down, so it acts like a really, really big wing. So you don't want to throw this really, really hard. It's pretty much just a glider. So there's one wing, and you take your other two. Of course, I will do. And then, alright, what you do, take these. The sticks are sticking out, doesn't matter. Alright, there we go. Now you want to make this one really strong, because the smaller ones, I showed you how it's bigger. Why did you pick out the bigger ones? Make sure that you keep track of the bigger ones. Don't mix them. You want to find the littler ones, and I'll show you how to make it stronger. Pretty much just do that. Same thing I did with the other one, except I cut this a little too small. And what you want to do is, you want to go from about here, like about right here, almost to the end of the wing. Or you could probably go all the way to the end of the wing. And then cut it. Or rip it, doesn't matter. Alright. So, now, you see the whole wing? Good. Alright, you want to go from this end, and then just barely, like, lift up this so that it keeps it straight, and then tape on the other side. Just run it across. These sides if you want. You can cut them off, doesn't matter. So, if it does flex, it can't really flex down now, because it has that, it's on stress right now. So, if you really want, you can do it to the second wing. It doesn't really matter, it's on the bottom wing anyway, so. You can make landing gear, it's kind of hard. I made landing gear for my other plane. It doesn't really work, it just weighs it down, so I suggest that you don't. So, here, we'll do it for the other wing too. This is the bigger one. Keep track of that. Take the measurement. Cut it. One end. Pick it up. Oops. See, got collapsed. And then just let it across. Now they're both pretty strong, so. Like this one won't bend down because it's on the bottom now, so. So now you have your two wings. They're pretty cool after. You'd be proud of yourself. I was very proud of myself on when I first made them. They're pretty cool. You gotta admit, they're pretty cool, yeah. So keep track of your bigger ones, okay? Like this is the bigger one. So I'm gonna put this one like behind me, or right next to me, and that one over there. Alright, what you're gonna need next is your actual plane. I'm gonna move this a little bit, put this in here. I have a weird table, so I gotta work with it a little bit. Alright, I have that in a weird spot, so I can work under it a little bit. Alright, you're gonna take your bigger wing, and make sure that it is your bigger one. And then make sure that stick that you measured is pretty much right in the middle. Like right in the middle of that tape, because that is where the two meet. You don't think it looks like that, but it is. Trust me. Or if you don't want to trust me, go ahead, fail. But, yeah. Alright, so you got an idea now. You pretty much just want to take a piece of tape. I did this with the rudder, or no, I did this with the elevator, which is this tail piece right here, where I went from the top. There we go. Take a piece of tape. Oh yeah, you want to take out that stick or whatever that you measured it. So just keep an eye, or you can just replace it with that piece of tape. Right. Just place the tape right there so you remember. Alright. Now you want to take this and go right in the center of the plane, okay? And then, my technique, I just went down. Now I need to lift this up. This is kind of hard. I'm trying to show you guys. Wow, this is just failing. Alright, hold on. It's gonna take me a minute. Alright, now that is higher. Alright. So I pretty much almost got the bottom wing on. Alright, I have about 3 more minutes before I have to get off. So pretty much you want to do that for the whole entire wing. You just want to do it center first. Or just do 3 pieces in the front, the back, and the middle. It doesn't matter. As long as you get... The key is to make this plane light. It doesn't matter about the wings, because the wings can hold their own lift. That's the cool thing about the lift. I already talked to you guys about. Alright. Almost done. One in the front. So, yeah, it's pretty much on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a part 6. It's already been 13 minutes. They only accept 15 minutes. So, I am almost done. So, I'll go to a part 6. So, I'll see you guys at part 6 if you guys watch it. Which you guys should, if you're learning how.